Happening today, the Office of Public Health and Safety is teaming up with the Neighborhood Christian Legal Clinic, providing a free event this morning on Indy's near Northeast Side. And joining me to talk all about today's event is Carlette Duffy, Deputy Director of Programming for OPHS. Good morning. I'm so excited to talk about this event because I can just tell it's going to help a lot of people. So tell us what's happening today.
So we're so excited that the Office of Public Health and Safety is so busy today. Our food event's doing a food distribution in Pike Small Claims Court, and our re-entry team is going to be at JTV Hill doing an expungement fair.
So what is an expungement fair for someone who may not be familiar with that term?
So the way that we're doing it this time is we're having anyone who is curious in terms of if you've been involved in the criminal justice system at any point, whether it's an arrest, a juvenile record, the arrest could have resulted in no charges, a dismissal, or a conviction. You can come in and talk to the team and from Neighborhood Christian Legal Clinic, and they will evaluate your situation to see if how an expungement can help you. And then once they've done the evaluation, then they'll set you for an appointment to come back and meet with them, and they'll process your paperwork for you, all free of charge.
I was going to say, I mean, that's, I think, what's so incredible is that it's free. Why have this mission to help these people make it free?
What was awesome in the first place is for Indiana to have passed this law. We went from being the most regressive to the most progressive state as it relates to expungement and the ability to expunge or even seal your criminal history. So, but it comes at a cost if you need an attorney. A lot of people can't navigate the documents that are required in order to expunge, and you only get to do it once in a lifetime as it relates to convictions. So we want it to be done correctly. Yeah. Most of the time, attorneys cost a significant amount of money, and if poverty is what got you into your situation, remaining in poverty is not going to assist you in getting out of it if there's a cost to it. So we want to make sure that there's a free access to getting this process taken care of.
And you've already seen a lot of interest. You mentioned 100 people have pre-registered. Can you walk in, or do you have time to register? What do you need to do?
You can walk in. You can walk in. The 100 just gives us an idea of how we need to set it up. We're going to have a lot of services there outside of expungement. So we'll have our food team will also be there to help with any food resources that are needed. Housing resources, there will be employers there who are all felon friendly. So
and even you can register to vote there as well.
You can definitely register to vote because we want to make sure that the community knows that in Indiana, just having a felony conviction or even being on probation or parole does not prohibit you from being able to vote. You can vote and you should vote.
And just real quickly in the last few seconds, what do you need to bring with you?
Your ID and really 10 years of your living history, so your residential history.
Okay.
That helps them to navigate your criminal background, to find every single thing, because as I said, you only get one shot to do it, and so we want to make sure everything is included. So the Neighborhood Christian Legal Clinic team is amazing at delving into the documents,
yes,
into the depths of the documents to be sure that you will be successful in this adventure. And then they also have a great relationship with the prosecutor's office, so they work with them on a regular basis to say, hey, this is someone who may be able to expunge early, if possible, but definitely someone that we're helping and supporting in securing their documentation.
Well, you have such an amazing heart for the community, your whole organization, so thank you so much for doing this. We'll have all the details if you're interested on our website. Just go to fox59.com/links. We'll be right back.